Ever found yourself staring at your phone, ready to grab that must-have item or snag a limited-time deal, only to realize your KOHO account is running on fumes? Yeah, we've all been there. It's frustrating, right? That moment of panic when you know the clock is ticking and you need to top up your account fast. Well, today, we're banishing that financial fumble forever. We're diving deep into the world of KOHO funding, exploring every single way you can inject some much-needed cash into your account so you're always ready to conquer those shopping sprees, pay those bills, or just generally live your best financial life. KOHO is a fantastic platform, offering a prepaid MasterCard combined with a powerful app that helps you manage your spending, budget effectively, and even earn cash back. But like any financial tool, it's only as good as the funds you have available. So, whether you're a seasoned KOHO user looking for a refresher or a newbie just getting started, this video is your ultimate guide to adding funds to your KOHO account. We'll cover everything from the simplest methods to some lesser-known tricks, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to keep your KOHO account topped up and ready for anything. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why having a well-funded KOHO account is so important. Beyond the obvious benefits of being able to spend money, KOHO offers some serious perks. Think cashback rewards on everyday purchases, budgeting tools that give you a clear picture of your spending habits, and even the ability to build your credit score. But to take advantage of these features, you need to have money in your account. Think of it like fueling up your car. You can't go anywhere without it. So, let's get down to business. How exactly do you add funds to your KOHO account? We'll start with the most common and arguably the easiest method, Interac e-transfer. This is a staple for Canadians, and it's seamlessly integrated with KOHO. Essentially, you can send money directly from your bank account to your KOHO account using your online banking platform. It's fast, secure, and usually free. Most banks support Interac e-transfer, and the process is pretty straightforward. You'll typically find an Interac e-transfer or send money option within your online banking portal. From there, you'll need to enter your KOHO account information, which you can find within the KOHO app itself. Look for the Add Funds or Top Up section, and you should find the necessary details, including your unique KOHO email address or account number. Once you've entered the information and the amount you want to transfer, confirm the transaction, and the funds should arrive in your KOHO account within minutes, sometimes even instantly. It's that simple. Next up, we have another convenient method, linking your bank account directly to your KOHO account. This allows for seamless transfers and can even be set up for automatic top-ups, which is incredibly useful for those who want to maintain a consistent balance. To link your bank account, you'll typically need to provide your banking information, such as your bank name, institution number, transit number, and account number. KOHO uses secure encryption to protect this information, so you can rest assured that your financial details are safe. Once your bank account is linked, you can transfer funds electronically, often with lower fees or even no fees compared to other methods. This option is particularly handy for regular transfers and can streamline your financial management. Now, let's talk about a slightly less common but still valuable method, using a pre-authorized debit. This is a great option if you have a regular source of income, like a paycheck, and want to automatically deposit a portion of it into your KOHO account. You can set up a pre-authorized debit with your employer or other income source, allowing them to automatically transfer funds to your KOHO account on a recurring basis. This is a fantastic way to automate your savings or ensure you always have enough funds in your KOHO account for your regular expenses. Another way to add funds is through a physical top-up location. While KOHO is primarily a digital platform, they do offer options for those who prefer to add cash in person. You can visit participating retailers, which might include convenience stores or other designated locations, and add cash directly to your KOHO account. This is a useful option if you don't have access to online banking or prefer to handle cash transactions. Keep in mind that there might be a small fee associated with cash top-ups, so it's always good to check the details beforehand. Finally, while not strictly adding funds, it's worth mentioning the option of receiving direct deposits into your KOHO account. If your employer supports direct deposit, you can have your paycheck or other payments deposited directly into your KOHO account. This eliminates the need for manual transfers and ensures you have access to your funds as soon as they're available. It's a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances and keep your KOHO account topped up without any extra effort. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of all the ways you can add funds to your KOHO account. From the quick and easy Interac e-transfer to the automated convenience of pre-authorized debits and direct deposits, you have a variety of options to choose from. The best method for you will depend on your individual circumstances and preferences. Consider factors like the speed of transfer, any associated fees, and your comfort level with different transaction methods. Remember, keeping your KOHO account funded is key to unlocking all the benefits it offers. Whether you're saving for a specific goal, managing your everyday expenses, or simply enjoying the perks of cashback rewards, having a well-funded KOHO account empowers you to take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.